Hello everyone, this is Abby from Polyning. You must be familiar with JWELL machinery. In Zhoushan, JWELL also has another company for making screw and barrels. Now we are at Zhoushan's JWELL Screw and Barrels company. The first screw created in Zhoushan was by Jin Hailuo. Today we will show you more story about Jin Hailuo. Here we can see a small machine here. Can you guess how old is he? Yes, the first screw was processed by it in 1984. It has more than 30 years history. Wow, until now it can still working. Compared with the past, with the development of technology, now all screw and barrels in Jin Hailuo are made by numerically controlled machines. This place is for putting materials of screws and barrels. You can see here there are some remarks on it. If there are any problem or raw materials, we can find the suppliers to solve problems as soon as possible. Since its establishment, Jin Hailuo pays much importance to the quality of screw. Each processing part will be seriously checked by the quality inspector. Now, the worker is checking the gap between the pin screws. That's the story of Jin Hailuo. If you want to know information, please follow us.